Have you ever wondered if Netflix is secretly a psychic? Because how else does it know you want to watch a documentary about rogue beekeepers right after you finish a series on medieval baking? Well, it is not psychic, it is just an algorithm. But this is not just any algorithm. It is the multi-billion-dollar engine that built an empire. And by 2025, this thing has evolved into something straight out of science fiction. Let's rewind a bit. Remember when you used to wander through a video store judging DVDs by their covers? Netflix killed that. They replaced the dusty shelves with a digital storefront personalized just for you. In the early days, it was simple. You watched Titanic, so maybe you would like The Notebook. Cute, right? But now it is so much more sophisticated. That simple system has grown into a complex beast named Cinematch. And then it got a massive glow up. So, how does it actually work today in 2025? It is not just about what you watch, it is about how you watch. Did you binge all 10 episodes in one night? The algorithm sees that obsession. Did you pause a movie 30 minutes in and never return? It notes your boredom. It even analyzes the time of day you watch, the device you are using, and if you rewind to rewatch a specific scene. It is like having a super observant friend who never sleeps and only cares about your viewing habits. A little creepy? Maybe. Incredibly effective? Absolutely. And here is where it gets really clever. Netflix does not just have one generic action movie tag. Oh no, they have thousands of hyper-specific micro-genres. We are talking about things like visually striking foreign language dramas with a strong female lead or witty 20th century comedies about family dysfunction. They create these tags by having actual humans watch and categorize content. Then, the algorithm assigns these tags to your profile based on your behavior. So when it recommends a movie, it is not just guessing, it is matching your very specific algorithm-defined taste with a movie that fits perfectly. It knows you better than you know yourself. Scary, is it not? But wait, there is more. The artwork you see for a show? That is personalized too. If you watch a lot of romantic comedies, your thumbnail for Stranger Things might feature the romantic subplot between Nancy and Jonathan. If you are a horror fan, you will probably see a picture of the Demogorgon. It is the same show, but Netflix is marketing it differently to different people, all to maximize the chance that you will click play. They run thousands of these A/B tests constantly to see which image gets the most clicks. It is a masterclass in psychological marketing. This data-driven approach does not just stop at recommendations. It dictates what Netflix creates. House of Cards was one of their first big bets, and it was not a gamble. They knew a huge chunk of their audience loved David Fincher's work, loved Kevin Spacey's movies, and had binged the original British series. The data practically screamed, "Make this show, and they will come." Fast forward to today, and this process is on steroids. They can predict with terrifying accuracy how well a show will perform in specific regions before they even write the first line of script. They are not just in the movie business, they are in the business of manufacturing hits. So, what is the secret sauce? It is a combination of your viewing history, the habits of millions of other users who are similar to you, and a massive ever-learning system. They call this collaborative filtering. Essentially, if you and I both love documentaries about space, and I just watched a new one and rated it highly, the algorithm will probably show it to you next. It is like crowdsourcing recommendations from people with your exact taste. Think of it as millions of digital ghosts whispering in your ear, "Hey, you should totally watch this next." Now here is a practical tip for you. Want to reset or retrain your Netflix algorithm? Maybe your ex used your account and now all you see are sappy rom-coms. The solution is simple. Go into your viewing history and start deleting titles that do not represent your taste. Then, start using the thumbs up and 2 thumbs up feature religiously on shows you genuinely love. This gives the algorithm a very clear, direct signal about what you want more of. You are actively curating your own feed instead of just passively letting it decide for you. You can take back control. But is this whole system a good thing? On one hand, it is incredibly convenient. We rarely have to waste time searching for something to watch. Netflix serves up a buffet of content it knows we will probably enjoy. But on the other hand, does it trap us in a filter bubble? Are we only ever shown things that confirm our existing tastes, preventing us from discovering something truly new and different? If you only ever watch crime thrillers, will Netflix ever take a chance and show you a critically acclaimed foreign language musical? Probably not, unless you give it a reason to. The future of this is even wilder. We are talking about algorithms that could potentially generate personalized movie trailers on the fly, just for you. Imagine a trailer for a new action movie that only shows you clips featuring your favorite actor. Or what about interactive content where your past viewing choices influence the storyline of the show you are currently watching? The lines are blurring between viewer and director. By 2025, Netflix is not just a streaming service, it is a dynamic, personalized entertainment universe built on a foundation of pure data. It is a testament to how understanding human behavior, one click at a time, can build a global empire. So next time you are endlessly scrolling, just remember, you are not just looking for a movie. A massive, incredibly intelligent algorithm is looking right back at you, learning, and deciding what you will be obsessed with next. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this dive into the Netflix matrix interesting, do me a favor and hit that like button. And for more content that unpacks the tech shaping our world, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.